Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your HR account on My Medstar. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in myhrmedstar.net. It will redirect you to this page where it says select your status. If you are current employee, click on current associate. It will redirect you to the login portal of My Medstar. Over here in this portal, enter your email address. Once you enter your email address of your account, click on the next button. It will redirect you to the password section where it asks for the password of your account. Enter your password over there and click on the login button. You will be logged into your My Medstar HR account. And in case if you guys forgot your login credentials, you can click here can't access your account to reset it. So that is how you guys can log in into your My Medstar HR account. That's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.